Difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com and WordPress.org are two distinct platforms that use the same software at their core, but they offer different levels of control, customization, and hosting options. Here's a breakdown of their differences. WordPress.com. Hosting and domain. WordPress.com provides hosting for your website on their servers. Your website's domain will typically include WordPress.com unless you purchase a custom domain. Ease of use. WordPress.com is beginner-friendly, offering a simplified setup process with limited technical decisions to make. Maintenance. WordPress.com handles software updates, security, and backups, relieving you of most maintenance tasks. Customization. While you can choose from various themes and plugins, WordPress.com has limitations on customization. You can't upload custom themes or use certain plugins. Monetization. Monetization options are limited on the free plan. Some monetization methods require a paid plan or approval. Cost. WordPress.com offers free plans with limited features as well as paid plans with additional features. Pricing varies depending on the plan level. WordPress.org. Self-hosting. With WordPress.org, you need to arrange your own web hosting and domain. You have full control over your website's files and data. Flexibility. You have complete freedom to customize and extend your website's design and functionality by using custom themes, plugins, and code. Maintenance. You're responsible for maintaining your website, including updates, backups, and security measures. This requires more technical knowledge or hiring help. Monetization. You have full control over how you monetize your website, such as through ads, e-commerce, memberships, and more. Cost. The WordPress software itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, domain, and potentially premium themes or plugins. Your choice between the two depends on your goals, technical comfort, customization needs, and willingness to handle maintenance tasks.